Think of your core like a silk corset. Today, we aren't doing crunches, we're just tightening the ribbons on your silk corset a little bit to support your posture and make everything firm. So let's start out slow and steady. Legs hip width apart, hands behind your head. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, lift your head and your shoulder girdle. Push your head into your hands. Your gaze goes to your legs. Inhale, exhale, lower back down. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, lift up. Pull your ribs in even more. Inhale, exhale, lower back down. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, lift up. Try to lift up even more with the part under your chest. So imagine pushing that part into the mat even more to come a little bit higher. And exhale, lower back down. Let's do 3 more reps. Inhale, exhale, lift up. Push your head into your hands even more so your neck won't be strained. And exhale, lower back down. 2 more. Inhale, exhale, lift up. Push the part under your chest into the mat even more, come a little bit higher. And exhale, lower back down. 1 more. Inhale, exhale, come up. Hold, and now pulse up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay up. Bring one leg up and down, up and down, up and down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change legs and up and down, up and down, up and down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And lower yourself down. Inhale, exhale, come up. Now imagine your spine is like a towel. So bring your towel or your spine out to the right, left ribs to right hips. Come back to center. Bring your spine out to the left, right ribs to left hips. Back to center. Exhale, left ribs to right hips. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, right ribs to left hips. Inhale, back to center. And 3, 2, keep going. You can do this. And 1, keep going. Let's meet in the center. And now rotate to the right, lift your right leg. And back to center. Other side, lift your left leg. And to the right. And to the left. You can do this. Right, center, and left. Center. 3, center, left. Center. 2, center, left, center. And 1, center, left, center. Stay up. Bring your hands up to the ceiling and pause for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands behind your head and lower yourself back down. Amazing work. You did so well. Let's do 1 exercise to relax a little bit and calm down until we go to our next power session. So bring your legs up to the ceiling. Your legs are together, your feet are pointed. Now bring them into a diagonal line. Inhale, exhale. Bring your legs over your body. Your legs are parallel to the ground. Now flex your feet. Open your legs. Lower them down. And roll down vertebrae by vertebrae. Point your feet and bring them together in a diagonal. Inhale, ceiling. Exhale, bring your legs above your torso. Flex your feet, open your legs, put them down, and roll down, controlled vertebrae by vertebrae. Point your feet, bring them into a diagonal and together. Now bring them in, inhale, exhale, over your torso. Inhale, flex, open, bring them down, and roll down vertebrae by vertebrae. Let's do 3 more. Point your feet, diagonal, inhale, exhale, bring your legs over your body, flex your feet, open your legs, bring them down, and roll down vertebrae by vertebrae. Point your feet, diagonal, and bring them together. 2 more. Inhale, ceiling, exhale, over your body. Inhale, flex, open, and bring them down. Exhale, roll down vertebrae by vertebrae. Point your feet, bring them down into your diagonal. And 2, bring your legs over your body, flex your feet, lengthen your spine even more, so don't fall into your spine. Open your legs, bring your legs down, and roll down vertebrae by vertebrae. Point your feet again, bring them into a diagonal. And ceiling, 1 more. Bring your legs over your body, lengthen your spine a little bit more, flex your feet, open your legs, bring them down, and roll down vertebrae by vertebrae. Point your feet, bring one leg into tabletop, then the other one to tabletop, and we're gonna get more serious now. Bring your legs in a little bit more. Your hands go on your knees, come up into your chest lift, bring your arms overhead and lengthen your legs, bring your arms down and around, and your legs in. Inhale, stretch everything out, your fingers are touching. Exhale, bring your arms around and in. Pull yourself a little bit higher. Inhale, extend, exhale, pull in. And again, inhale, extend. Exhale, pull in. Imagine someone is holding your feet and you're trying to pull your legs in against that resistance. And 3, 2, 1. Now put your left hand on your right knee and your right hand above your left hand. Straighten out your left leg, and we're gonna switch legs and switch hands. So right hand on left knee, left hand on right hand. And switch. And switch. Also imagine someone is pulling your leg here when you are trying to pull it in. And exhale in, inhale, change. Exhale in, inhale, change. Let's do 5 more. You can do this. 4, 3, keep going. 2, you can do this, come on. 1, and bring your hands behind your head, and now rotate to your right leg, back to center, rotate to your left leg. Rotate to your right leg pulls in, and center, and rotate to your left leg pulls in. Again, left rib to your right hip, and right rib to your left hip. Let's do a few more of these. Push your lower back into the ground to engage your core even more. And 3, 2, 1. Stay up in your chest lift, bring your legs out, keep your lower back pressing into the mat and lower your legs as much as you can while also keeping your back on the ground. And up. Bring them down again and up. And down and up. You're gonna feel your whole core working here. Push your lower back into the ground. And 3, 2, 1. Bring one leg in and the other one down. Kick 2 times towards yourself and switch legs and kick 2 times. And switch, kick 2 times. Switch, kick 2 times. Stay up on your shoulder tips and kick the leg that's up 2 times towards you. And 3. Keep going. 2. Come on, you can do it. And 1. And bring your legs into tabletop. And again, pause for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And bring your upper body down. Bring one leg down onto the mat, then the other one. Well done. The worst is over. Grab your thighs, come up. Now we're going to hold our legs onto this height so they are parallel to the mat. Your legs are together. Your arms are shoulder width apart, hands facing each other. Bring your pubic bone to your belly button, round your lower back, and come down until your shoulder tips, and come up again. And round your lower back, come down, and come back up. And come down again, and back up. And down, and up. Now come down and pause for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up and put your legs down. Well done. Let's do an exercise to relax a little bit. So bring one leg up, grab your ankle, then the other leg up, grab that ankle, sit up straight, then come into a round lower back and come onto your shoulders. Press your legs into your hands and come up. Straight back again. Round back, down onto your shoulders. Press your legs into your hands and up. And 3 more. Down. Press your legs against your hands. Come up. So 2 more. Come up, straight back, and round back, down, and up. Well done. Put your legs down. We're going to come into a plank. So hands underneath your shoulders. Extend one leg, then extend the other leg. Bring your pelvis down. Now bring one leg in and back. In and back. In and back. In and back. Push yourself off the ground. Exhale when you bring the leg in. Inhale when it goes back. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Keep your pelvis low. Keep your body in a diagonal line. And 3, 2, keep going. 1. Push yourself into an upstretch. So push your sit bones to the ceiling. Come down into front support. Slow yourself down. Come back up. And down. Back up. Press yourself away from the mat. Pull your shoulders down. And come back down into a plank. And up again. And down. Let's do 5. Keep going. 4. And 3. Push your shoulders down. towards your bum. And 2. And 1. Come down. Point your right leg and lift it up and down, up and down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Change legs. Point the other one and up and down, up and down, up and down. For 3, 2, 1. Push yourself into an up stretch. Push yourself away from the mat, shoulders down. And now walk with your legs. And come back into a plank. Lower yourself down onto your stomach. Your arms are in front of you, your legs are hip width apart. Lift your upper body and your arms. Now move one arm up and then the other. And change. Shoulders away from your ears. Let's do this for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower yourself down. Now keep your head low, lift your legs, belly button to the spine, and now bring your right leg up, left leg down, left leg up, right leg down, and switch. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay up. Extend your arms to the front. Come up with your torso. Belly button to the spine. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now stay up. Lift your right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg, right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg. Pull your belly button to the spine and now change arms and legs. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Belly button to the spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. For 10, 9, 8. Shoulders away from your ears. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower yourself down. Gorgeous. Now bring your hands below your shoulders. Push yourself off the mat. And look up. Let's stretch our abs a little bit after all the work they've done. Well done. And lower yourself down. Push yourself into a resting position. And relax a bit. Well done for finishing day 2 of our CherriCore edit. I hope you felt the burn as much as I did and that you're going to join me for day 3. But as always, don't forget, you're stronger than you feel today and more glowing than you realize. Just like skincare from the inside out. Thanks for joining me for day 2 today, and I hope to see you in day 3. Bye!